everyone, this is Pranav Verma. I'm a final year Ph.D. student here at DAIICT. My research topic is information privacy and data protection. I work with Professor Anish Mathuria and Professor Sorish Das Gupta. Those two are my supervisor and co-supervisor. So I'm here to tell you about my experience in DAIICT in the last like 6 years almost. So first thing first is, if you are looking for a PhD, looking to pursue PhD at a university, you should first focus on what are the facilities are there, and most importantly, what are the faculty strengths is there in an institute. So if you visit the faculty page of the DAIICT website, you will find that there are a lot of faculties with long time experience. They have a lot of teaching experience as well as research experience. There's a diverse portfolio of faculties you can find, from computer science to mathematics to physics to humanities and everything. So first of all, look for them. You can contact them. Obviously you will find all the contact details and everything. Next thing, what you should look for is the resources that you will get in a institute. So my experience in DAIICT is that whatever resources you will need for your research is adequate, available here in adequate manner. So for example, in my experience, whatever research papers and journals, access to those journals, digital and as well as published journals. So we have a great resource center here. It provides us the papers and all sorts of technical resources that we need. In terms of some hardware requirement and those types of things, although I did not needed a lot of hardware computation power, but some of my colleagues who are working on big data sets and a lot of other machine learning, deep learning types of things, so they are getting access to a supercomputer as well as a lot of CUDA enabled machines and all sorts of things. So those are the two important points you should keep in mind before looking for a PhD or looking for an institute for your research. Next part would be the campus. So campus is good, green, and it's a tiny university as compared to some of the other big IITs or whatever you will be looking at. So since it's a small community, it's a cozy community, you know everyone knows you, so it's a very healthy environment here, and I would say you should check it out. And of course, if you have anything to ask or you want to contact anyone, you have the resources available at the website.